Exploring descriptive statistics in data mining with the programming professor. In this video, we dive deep into descriptive statistics, a fundamental tool in data mining. We'll cover various measures and how to apply them using Python. Our outline includes understanding and applying measures of central tendency, dispersion, position, and distribution shape. We'll look into how extreme values can skew these measures, how to interpret histograms to grasp distribution shapes, relate these shapes to statistical summaries, and finally, we'll implement these concepts in Python. Moving on to distribution, shape, and visual summaries. Distributions can be symmetric, skewed left, or skewed right. Histograms are key in visualizing these shapes, helping us spot any clusters or tails in the data. For instance, a long right tail often means the distribution has positive skewness. Here, we have a Python example that shows how to visualize data with a histogram. This code plots the total travel time, giving us a visual summary of where most data points lie. Now, let's talk about measures of central tendency. The mean gives us the average value, whereas the median provides the middle value in an ordered dataset, which is less affected by outliers. In our travel time example, the median was 58 minutes, slightly lower than the mean of 61.04 minutes, indicating some right skewness. This Python snippet calculates descriptive statistics like mean, median, and standard deviation for a small dataset of travel times. On measures of dispersion, we have the range, which is the difference between the highest and lowest values, the interquartile range for the middle 50% of data, variance, and standard deviation for total travel time. We noted a range of 104 minutes, an IQR of 29.25 minutes, a variance of 669.87, and a standard deviation of 25.88 minutes. Next up, measures of position include quantiles and z-scores. Quantiles tell us what percentage of data falls below a certain point, while z-scores show how far a data point is from the mean in terms of standard deviations. Here, the 0.5 quantile, or median, for travel time was 59 minutes. Discussing distribution shape, we learn about skewness, which shows data asymmetry, and kurtosis, which reflects the tailoredness of the distribution. Distributions can be skewed left with a negative skewness or right with a positive one. Finally, here's how you can use Python to perform various descriptive statistics with pandas. This example shows how to calculate the median of the length feature from a dataset. But remember, pandas also offers methods for mean, variance, standard deviation, quantiles, skewness, and kurtosis. To wrap up, descriptive statistics are essential for summarizing data in terms of its central tendency, spread, position, and shape. Understanding these helps us interpret data distributions and make better decisions. Python with libraries like Pandas is incredibly useful for these analyses. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.